Welcome to MarineMax Crosslake, where we have a 2008 Harris Super Sunliner 220 pontoon. This is a 2-tube pontoon. It's 22 feet long, has a power bimini upgrade here with a blue canvas. It's also got a blue canvas boat cover that's drying out right here. We've got a rear boarding ladder. The boat's powered by a Mercury 115 EFI 4-stroke outboard motor. Got a rear entry into the boat here. There's lots of space for getting on and off at the dock or just a nice little swim platform to run and jump off of. There's a sun pad here, but these also flip up, so you have engine access and then access to your gas tank if you need on the side. This right here is a couch that doubles as a changing booth, so it just lifts right up. And then you pull this and it pops open. We've got a little hole in the canvas about the size of your fingers, but still works great. There's a cockpit table here that you can take out and stow away if you don't need. Otherwise, you've got a couple of cup holders here. There's also cup holders integrated into the seat backs. So you've always got a spot to put your drink no matter where you're sitting on the boat. You've got some dry storage underneath and also hinge seat cushions, which is a really awesome upgrade for back in 2008. It wasn't standard that these had the roto-molded seat bins that kind of self-drain out the sides, but this one has that, so it'll keep your floors nice and clear of any wet stuff, leaking from the storage. So you can throw your wet towels in there. There's also a little storage space here at the helm, so you can use that as a cooler if you want to. It's got a drain right there, so it just automatically bails itself out. It's awesome for some drinks or some snacks to keep them out of the cooler. But we do have a cooler under here too. Right there. Slide that out, fill her up, tuck it back away. It has Sony speakers with that Sony head unit here. It's a CD player, but you've also got your radio in there, satellite radio. We have our digital gauges, where you can see your fuel, depth, voltage, trim percentage, temperature, and all that good stuff. Got backlit rocker switches here, so as you turn them on and off, they light up. Key ignition. Got a glove box right here that locks. So if you're out at the sandbar or something and there's lots of boats around, you can put your wallet and any important items down in there and lock it up. Likewise, if you're at your lift and you want to keep some stuff in the boat, but you want to make sure nobody comes by and steals that, there's a key right here to lock that away so you feel nice and secure keeping your stuff in your boat. 12-volt receptacle, you can use that to air up tubes and inflatables, or you can use that as a cell phone charging port. There's another speaker down there for the captain. Nice little footrest for you while you're driving along. You've got your mechanical shifting here. Hydraulic steering. It's the C-Star Pro Series hydraulic steering. Nice high back captain's chair there. And we've got some courtesy lights down below here in the midship. This is carpet flooring. It's a little wet. We're thawing it out. It's wintertime here in Minnesota, so this discoloration goes away. But we've got some nice underseat glow lights here in the middle. And the boat is available at MarineMax in Crosslake. We've got lots of new traded in pontoons and boats available now. So come see what we have to offer right off of County Road 66 in Crosslake, Minnesota. Thanks for watching.